goal of this video that you're watching today is to give you basic information. Let me say this, just because it's basic information, people got a bad connotation with that. You know, basic does not mean bad. Basic can mean incredible, right? So even though I say it's basic information, this is information that you can use right now for real. This is information that you can acquire and apply right now for real. Just because it's not complicated, or because it doesn't look fancy, or I'm not doing 10 trappy moves, flipping somebody and throwing them on the ground to impress you, doesn't mean it isn't a genius thing, because it is. That's the great thing about what I teach, is I teach things that work quickly and easily. They're easy to apply and they're easy to learn. So if you apply that thing very quickly off this and you add a weapon to this, you've just anteed up the whole scenario. So not only have I generally understood with this video that I'm teaching that you can use this V-shield, this shield concept, to defend yourself unarmed, but then I have the option of escalating even all the way to lethal force. Often people will say, you know, I need to learn this, A, B, C, D, and you do it as a, you know, a stepping stone building block process. And that is the way you should learn, but it shouldn't be that way with basic. It should be that what you have now is usable right now.